Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat and welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Mitza Bache, and I am the accredited seller of DMCA Homes. So today, tara samahan niyo ako at ituturo ko kayo sa aming corner unit na 2-bedroom unit dito kay Kiran Building ni Prisma Residences. Okay po. Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat. Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat and welcome to my channel. So today naman, tara samahan niyo ako at ituturo ko kayo sa aming 3-bedroom project updates for Manakay. Best Investments by Mitza Bache, and I am an accredited seller of DMCA Home. Hello, so kumusta po kayo? So ito right now, nandito naman ako sa atrium level, okay, ni Prisma Residences, particularly kay Kiran Building. So I am on the 42nd floor. Okay, so this one is an atrium level. So pansinin nyo, may garden sa likuran ko. So ito yung nakapatent with DMCA Homes na forever. Yung Lumifan technology namin, or every 5 floors, meron tayong atrium level, may atrium garden, and merong sky patio dito sa gilid. So ito yung para sa natural ventilation na not ng buong building natin, pero ng buong project natin. Kaya pansinin nyo, any DMCA project, mahangin on any floors. And also double single corridor tayo, very unique layout compared sa other developers, kasi si DMCA Homes lang po ang meron nito at wala pong ibang pwedeng makagaya nito. So ang ipapakita ko sa inyo is yung one of our corner units, okay, na 2-bedroom unit. So this one is a 66.50 square meters, and it is comparable to our 2-bedroom unit corner unit ni Soraya Building. So I believe mas malaki ng konti si Soraya Building. This one is kasi 66.50. Okay, so tara, pakita ko sa inyo. So this one is nasa corner siya. Okay, 2-bedroom corner. I think meron akong video nito, pero that was last year pa eh. So update lang din tayo. Syempre kung ano na ba yung itsura nitong project natin. So this unit is 4209. So corner siya. Upon entering the unit, nandito sa left side ko yung kitchen area natin. Okay, so dito, iba yung color kay Prisma Residences. Brown siya. And then yung granite countertop natin, parang medyo brownish rin siya with a touch of gray. Diba? So dito yung countertop natin, fridge mode, ito malagay, range hood dito. Diba? So spacious pa rin. So parang ganito rin yung kitchen ng mga 3-bedroom units natin. So malaki siya. And then dito sa area na to, maluwag na siya. You can put here your dining area. Okay? And your living area. Wherein here, you may put your entertainment system, diba? So very spacious siya. And ang kagandahan nitong unit na to, since it's a corner, you have 2 balconies. So this is the first balcony. So imagine nyo na lang pag may bisita kayo, diba? Habang nakumakain kayo or nanonood kayo, ito ang view mo. You have a view of Bonifacio Global City, BGC. And while dito sa other side na to, si Laguna de Bay. Diba? So napakaganda ng unit location, unit orientation nitong unit na to, diba? So that's why ito rin yung kadalasan ng unang hinahanap ng mga ibang nag-i-inquire sa atin, diba? So as of August 28, this unit is still available. So if you want to know more or gusto nyo makita ng actual na to, nandiyan yung numbers ko, just contact me anytime. Okay? So going back po, so this one is our toilet and bath. Sorry, wala lang ilaw. So nakapatay kasi lahat ng ilaw dito. So fittings and fixtures are all included. And ang kagandahan nito sa unit na to, we also have here our storage for the washing machine. Okay, you may use it as a pantry or extra storage, pero this is built for the storage of the washing machine. Washing machine natin. Kasi here meron siya sariling water supply, and yung drainage system natin meron din doon. Okay, so now we go to the first bedroom. So this unit is the size of this unit is around 92 square meters. Very spacious din siya. This can fit double bed. Okay, so kasya. So this is the first building, the first bedroom. And here you can put your, dahil dito sa unit nito, this is still a window type aircon. And you have a view here of Laguna de Bay. So let's go to the bedroom 1 para mas ma-appreciate natin. Because dito sa bedroom 1, you have 2 windows. The first window is you have an awning window here wherein you can view a glimpse of the BGC skyline. Diba? So napakaganda. So spacious din itong bedroom 1 natin. Diba? Here, you can put here double size because dito, pwede nyo dito ilagay yung kama nyo eh. Diba? And dito sa side na to, pwede nyo po dito ilagay yung ating wardrobe, diba? Or entertainment. So it's really up to you on how you will interior this unit. So, siya yung may access dito kay balcony. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung view natin dito sa balcony na to. So, this one, you have a view of Laguna de Bay. Kung doon sa first balcony natin na makikita ninyo is yung BGC. Dito naman, Laguna de Bay naman nakita ninyo. Pero, syempre, kita mo pa rin dito si BGC area. BGC skyline natin, di ba? C5 Road, 1 o'clock. Walang traffic. Di ba? So maluwag-luwag pa si C5 Road natin dito. Okay? Ayun. So, I think that concludes our tour here for our 2-bedroom unit, corner unit dito kay Prisma Residences. Ngayon, if you want to know more about this project, about this unit, you may contact me anytime. Nandiyan yung numbers ko naka-flash sa screen. Okay? So, pwede nyo makontact through Viber, through WeChat, through WhatsApp. Pwede tayo mag-schedule ng honor presentation by Zoom. Pwede tayo mag-schedule ng site viewing. Pwede ko kayong dalhin dito sa napakagandang project na ito. Pwede ko ipakita yung mga actual units na magugustuhan ninyo. Okay? As long as pwede available for viewing yung unit na yan. Okay? So, again, thank you very much for watching po. Please don't forget to hit subscribe button and the notification bell para every time na nag-upload ako ng bagong video kay YouTube ay ma-notify kayo. So, thank you for watching po. God bless po. Stay safe po. Bye-bye po.